Hi, my name is Jody Goss. I'm the president of the Producers Firm. At the Producers Firm, we've spent decades working on a process we call customer rounding. Customer rounding is the ability to take a client that you sell one product to and round them into additional products and services. Why is this important? Well, statistics show that if you have a client with multiple products and services, they are less likely to leave you. They become more loyal and happier. Secondly, it enables you to diversify revenue, create more stabilization in your practice, and to weather storms that may come your way because of a single product or a single offering. If you'd like to learn more about our customer rounding process, give us a call at 1-800-639-2032 or visit our website, theproducersfirm.com.